Kasim with Solutions 8. In this video, I want to talk to you about segmenting by conversion action. So the account that I have pulled up here is Software as a Solution. So it's a SaaS product, and you'll notice that there are multiple stages to the sign-up process. And we've got first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, and we've been able to segment according to the conversion action. And what it lets us see is we have 8 conversions basically that signed up for our first step. But only 4 of those carried through all the way. So we've got about a 50% retention from start to finish, which is critically important. If you have a multi-step conversion process, and this isn't just in the SaaS space, incidentally, this is a lot of info marketers, but other providers as well, coaches, consultants. If you have a multi-step conversion process, oftentimes the mistake that I see people make is they're conversion optimizing against the first step, which is fine because you're generating leads and improving the efficacy and your ability to do that. But what you're not doing is optimizing against your highest value prospects. So giving yourself the opportunity to see from a conversion action standpoint who's done what and in what context can really help. And you also start to build sort of something of a funnel paradigm. As a matter of fact, let me open this date range up a little bit and we can see just how significant some of these numbers end up being, in terms of the changes in dilution. And what's interesting about this process too is this gives you, that which is measured is managed. So it gives you the opportunity to improve upon your conversion rates. You notice that we're cutting ourselves in half from step 1 to step 2 in this particular instance. And so really big improvement opportunity here. And obviously something we've been working on with the client, but I just wanted to point out this fact that segmenting by conversions is really helpful when you want to see, what steps that people are taking in terms of converting. And we can do this on, each of our campaigns. So in order to do that, incidentally, when you're looking at your campaigns, just go up to segment and then conversions, and then you're going to segment by conversion action, and it's going to split up all of your conversion actions on a campaign basis. And this also speaks to the need to track multiple points of conversion, because you're only going to be able to segment by multiple conversion points if you have multiple conversion points to segment by. So I know that goes without saying, but it's another reason to track every single conversion point that you possibly can, and realize that you don't necessarily need to count all conversions. Google Ads gives you the opportunity to decide whether or not a conversion is going to be counted when you're optimizing a campaign. So you can track conversions that aren't necessarily being counted as conversion actions, which is a good way to just give you a snapshot as to what might be a predictive indicator of intent. So I hope this was helpful. Nice little pro tip there. If you have a multi-step conversion process, if you like more of these videos, we shoot one a day, so don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.